this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video using Adobe Express. So this is pretty simple. And the first thing that you need to do is to open Adobe Express on your device. And you can use the link that I have in the description below for you to have an access to Adobe Express. So then once you are in here, you will have different options that you can go for to start your project. So you can go and select this option that says start from your content. So you can upload and edit your own videos. Once you select this one, or you can even generate custom images, templates, and more once you go for the generate with AI. But for this one, let us try to explore more tools. So once you go under the video section on the homepage, you'll have different tools again that you can use. So you can go for trim video, resize your videos, merge videos, crop videos, convert to JF, and so on. So for this one, let us try to use the start from your content option. So click onto it and select the video that you want to generate or you want to edit here in Adobe Express. I'm just going to select this one. Load your file, hit this create new, and but first just select the size that you want for your video. So you can go for original aspect ratio, but you can go for custom size as well. YouTube video if you're going to upload it on your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram stories, YouTube shorts, and so on. But for now, we are going with the original aspect ratio. Let us load for a few seconds. Now then, once you are in here, what you can do is to edit your video. So you'll see this edit timeline on the bottom part of your screen and also a play button. So if you want to edit the timeline of it, click onto that and then you'll be able to see the different layers of your project. So then you can add audio if you want to, and Adobe Express have an extensive audio library that you can use for free in Adobe Express. And you can even record voiceover if you want to and animate characters. So if you have a specific audio that you want to use for your project and you know the name of it, just search it on the search bar on this part. But for now, we are going to try and add the sample music right here. Click on to that and then edit the duration of it. So I'm just going to place that on this part. And now what you can also do is to add texts here in your project. And by the way, for your audio, you can add fade ins and fade out, or you can add both if you want to by using this tool on this part. So now we are going with the text. So go to the text part on the most left side part of your screen and select the style that you'd like to use. So for example, I want to use this one, drag it, and then you can also edit that on the timeline. So if you only want to show it on the starting portion of your screen, then just use the slider to do that. So there you go. Let us try to play it. So there's that. That is how you can add text. Now, if you want to add more clips to your project, you can do so by clicking onto this add scene part. If you want to add scene, and then you can open your local files by clicking onto the upload section. So I'm just going to add another video for my project. And if you want to add transitions, you can click onto this plus icon on the center or between the two clips and select add transition. And these are the options that you have: deep to black, deep to white, dissolve, wipe, and so on. Now, if you wanted to add or to resize your video, you can do that by simply clicking onto this resize option that you have on the upper part of your screen. So that's basically it. That is how you can create, edit, and generate a video using Adobe Express. And before we end, it's going to teach you how you can download or export your project out of Adobe Express. So what you need to do is to simply click this download option you have here on the upper right side part of your screen. You can select the video resolution. You can opt for 720, 80, or 1080p, and even 4K. So I'm just going to stick with 1080p. And once you are okay with what you have, also for the format, just go ahead and click onto this download button. There you go. And After a few seconds, your project will be ready. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.